Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Breckenridge County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you. It is Tuesday morning, August 14th. I apologize for being a couple days behind on getting our website updated here. Would just like to commend our students and staff on a great 2 days. On Friday, we had a wonderful class meetings all morning and a great pep rally to end our day. Then also just like to kind of just say, yesterday was a great first day of actual school, and we'd just like to commend the students on working hard on staying patient with everybody as we get our day going. I know we've got some changes on how we enter our building in the morning, and just like to just tell the students they're doing a great job of staying patient and working with us and trying to make that as easy a process as possible. A couple things going on the rest of this week. I would just like to encourage everybody to come out to the Tiger Arena tonight for our volleyball game, as our volleyball team will host McLean County High School here at the high school. So come on out and support your Lady Tigers in the volleyball game. Tomorrow, our soccer team opens their season up as they host Fort Knox. That game will be at 5:30 here, or 6 o'clock, I apologize, here at Tiger Field. No, I'm sorry, 5:30 tomorrow. The soccer team does start the season tomorrow. Come out and support them. Our golf team will be home tomorrow against North Hardin. On Thursday, our golf team will travel to Meade County. Our volleyball team will travel to Bullitt East. And then on Friday, we have a busy Friday as our football team will open their season up against Todd County Central here at Tiger Arena, or Tiger Field, at 7 o'clock game time. It will be kickoff. We will have a dance immediately following the football game, so I encourage all students to come out and enjoy the dance. Our soccer team will travel to Warren Central for the weekend. They will play Friday night against Barron County, then Saturday morning against Franklin Simpson. They will be spending the night out, so we wish them good luck. Our volleyball team will also be traveling to Apollo SummerSlam Friday night into Saturday as well. Our FFA will be leaving here on Friday to go to the state fair, so we'd like to wish them safe travels. And that is what we got going on for this week. I hope everybody has had a wonderful start to the week. Everybody work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.